Okay, so when it comes to buying a home these days, so many people are looking for one that matches the type of lifestyle they want to lead. Maybe you're looking for a new home that is low maintenance, something that offers resort-style living. If the answer is yes, listen up.
Okay, and it's a fantastic golf course community as well. The Macatawa Legends community by Eastbrook Homes is a highly sought after one in the Holland area. There's actually a new phase of homes, the villas, which offers so many benefits.
You got that right. I was able to visit some new home sites at Macatawa Legends and talked with a couple who just moved in. If personalizing your own home, golf, close proximity to the beach and downtown Holland sound appealing to you, you may want to check out the resort-style living of Macatawa Legends.
Debbie and I, we realized that we wanted to do a little something different as far as right sizing from where we were with our family as they got older, and we started looking around for different locations, and Macatawa Legends was on the top of our list to come visit. When we got here at Macatawa Legends, we were just so impressed with so many things, the amenities that they have here, a lot of the community involvement that we've seen, and Debbie and I both said that this is a place that we think we would really like to invest in and look at moving to.
Our villa floor plans, they offer so many unique features. We are in one of the most popular Michigan rooms. The Michigan room is a four-season room, and we have a double-sided fireplace so you can enjoy the warmth from all sides of the room. We've got bonus rooms, third stall garages, additional storage space, luxury kitchens, so a lot of ways that you can personalize your home and make it work for you. So then you can get out and enjoy the lifestyle that we have to offer here at Macatawa Legends.
I was very excited about just starting a building project. Sometimes you think, you're going to move into a community like this and every house is going to look the same. But I really felt like with Eastbrook, we had a lot of options to pick and choose. And in the design center, working with our own designer, and she really gave us a lot of freedom to choose the things that really reflected our lifestyle in our home.
One of the advantages of Macatawa Legends is having the option to be a member of the Macatawa Golf Club, which is a beautiful award-winning 18-hole golf club. We have the Red Rock Grill, which is an award-winning restaurant. It's fabulous. We have the pools and we have the Splash Grill. We have pickleball and tennis. And you can drive your golf cart around. We have a dog park next door. And of course, you're close to Lake Michigan and shopping and everything else surrounding.
The other thing that we've been able to enjoy is recently our daughter got married, and we were able to host 17 people in our home. So it's convenient from a size perspective that we have enough room to entertain and have all our friends here and enjoy those moments as a family. And it's also, it's personal enough so that when we have friends over that we can enjoy the surroundings that we have here in the house as well.
The villas are a great home style in that it's minimal maintenance. Your lawn care and your snow removal is taken care of, yet you have all four sides of your beautiful home. They're zero step. And I say zero step because they're built on a slab and it's easy living. However, we do have floor plans like the one that I'm sitting in, the Rosemary, that has an upper level as an option. So you do have anywhere from 1,500 square feet to 3,000 square feet of beautiful finished living space.
And I can't say enough about Eastbrook and how they helped us through this whole process. It was an enjoyable experience from the beginning that we met with Maureen to working with Alex and the design group and the finishing touches that they're doing on our house.
Debbie and Dave were so kind, and I'm so excited for them. They came from a big family home, of course, right-sizing their home. Dave had to take care of the pool for years, and now he gets to golf all the time. And so,
there's still a pool there.
Yes, there's so many great things, but he doesn't have to maintain it. And so there are great benefits to living in the villas. They have all the benefits of condo living and that great kind of ease, but they are standalone homes. There's privacy, lots of space, a great option for many different lifestyles in a beautiful community.
That's right. So if you'd like to learn more about the villas of Macatawa Legends, give the folks at Eastbrook Homes a call. As Maureen mentioned, they've got a new phase open, and those have been very popular. You can also, of course, check out the website, eastbrookhomes.com.
Terry, I can see you there.
I can too. Yeah, I'm going to put them on the speed dial.
Yes.